Okay, so this is my review for Avatar: The Way of the Water. That fucking movie blew me the fuck away, bro. I was not expecting that shit at all. This is probably my first Avatar movie, and holy shit, man. This thing is a I thought Alien Romulus was fucking big. This movie's fucking bigger, bro. Almost almost 4 hour movie. And I was I really didn't know what to expect because I really didn't pay attention to I don't remember if I seen the first Avatar movie. Um I don't remember when that shit came out, but I do remember hearing about it. I might have watched it, but I don't remember that much. But this movie, holy shit. This movie is one to this is one to have right here in your collection. If you could get this in 4K, that shit is fucking nuts, man. This I was thinking, holy shit, one person can't fucking write this movie. No way one human being can actually write this movie. You have to have like hundreds, thousands of people to write this. There has to be so many people to think of this because the human mind cannot think of this shit. This shit was so fucking nuts, for fucking crazy. Um, the story was completely something else, man. That it was fucking nuts, man. It had me invested, and it was it was like one of the craziest fucking movies I've ever seen in my fucking life. And I was thinking, man, this is a these are blockbusters. These are fucking big fucking theatrical things. These are giants. Whoever's creating these in in some sort of way, I feel like these Avatar movies are bigger than Marvel movies. Do you know how they make a big fucking stink about Marvel and Disney and all that shit? I'm not sure if Disney does Avatar. I don't know who does it. I think maybe James Cameron is the director, but I could be wrong about that. But these these movies feel bigger than fucking than Marvel movies. Now, don't get me wrong, they're both pretty great. They're kind of like these are legends. These are Michael Jordan movies. Like these are goat movies. Whoever's making these movies are fucking goats. So these are in a league of their own. Everything like Alien Romulus and Avatar, the Alien franchise and the Avatar franchise, those shits are fucking those guys are monsters. Those guys are legendary film creators. So this is if I can find this movie in 4K, I think I might have to get a 4K player because this movie is freaking amazing. Um, I was like, I'm naturally bored, so when I watch something, I get bored, and this movie cured my boredom, right? So that's one thing about this movie. It kept opening my eyes. It kept like unboarding me, like exciting me, I guess. So I was like, shit, boredom is can be cured by a movie. A movie can actually unbore you. So I thought movies would do the opposite and bore you, but this movie is actually very fucking exciting. There was times where it would slow down. It's almost like a fucking it's almost like a roller coaster in space and shit. It's like you're 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 going down and it's like, oh my god, and then like it calms down a little bit and it just starts to climb and climb and climb and climb, and then you fucking start going down again. It's like, so it's like a fucking roller coaster of emotions. And holy shit, this movie was fucking nuts, man. I feel privileged to fucking watch it. I feel great that people are actually producing movies like this. And shit, I gotta do my research because this shit was fucking 10 out of 10. I looked at the ratings on these and it's about a 7.4 across the board, like everywhere. And I looked at the countries, but I think the majority of people rated this movie 8 out of 10, which seems like that's fitting. This movie is an 8 out of 10. For me, I think it's a fucking 10 out of 10. Not that many people rate it 10 out of 10, but a good chunk of people did. And there's fucks that rated this a 1. I'm like, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. This no way this movie's a 1, bro. Like you're fucking you hate your life or something if you fucking voted this a 1. Like this thing is a fucking masterpiece, and I'm gonna give the other avatars a chance. I think there's one that's coming out in 2026, or I think it's already out. So I might have to watch that one. I think it came out in 2025, but it's still in theaters. So I'm gonna hopefully fucking try to fucking watch that shit in theaters. It was $30. I think it was $30 to watch the movie, and I was like, shit, fuck that. Who the fuck wants to pay that much money to watch a movie? But after seeing this fucking movie on DVD, and this was a fucking DVD version, the DVD version in a laptop was fucking amazing. I can't imagine what this shit looks like in theaters. I have to go to the fucking theaters and watch this movie before it goes away. So I have to fucking watch this movie. I think it was called Fire and Ice. I think that's the latest one, but I could be wrong. But if I can go to that theater, if I could watch it in theaters before it's no longer there, that would be great.